Let's go
What,
b3.
I got black.
I mean, I could
Okay,
play
double
e4,
black.
but I
That's
can't. I
unfortunate.
mean, the problem is I need to win the game. So let's just play b3, bishop b2. Keep it really simple. Simple chess. Hey. Okay. I'm going to play this a little bit dubious, but let's see what he does. Could play g3 first, too. Okay. Go here. Could have played h3 first, maybe, but who cares? Oh, it goes for this. Interesting. Okay. Take with a knight. This might not be right, actually. It's a little bit... It's not right, but I can probably get away with it. Interesting move. I don't really want to play a4. I also don't want to burn too much time, though. I don't want to go a4, but I think a4 is actually kind of a good move here. Let's go here. I'm kind of taking liberties in this opening, but I think I'm okay. Okay, now I get castle and I should be pretty happy. Let's see. Let's go here. I did just blunder knight b4, which wasn't particularly smart, but... Go here. I actually like my position, though. It's a pretty stable position, which is easy to play. Let's reroute the knight. Now I go e4 and I should be pretty happy. Yeah, knight e7 I think is a bad move-ish. Not necessarily a terrible move, but not the best move. I'm going to try to push him around on the clock for sure here. Oh, he goes d4. Wow. That I did not expect. I'll go here and take. Go here. Can always trade. I mean, I could have taken and flattened board. Didn't really want to flatten board. Okay, let's just... So I'll take now. I'm wasting a tempo for no reason. Yeah, this was... I wasted a tempo for no reason. Ridiculous. Go here. Here. Now I can obviously trade, and I think I will. Okay, let's see. I can play king g2. I can play queen e2. I need to pick up my speed, though. Actually, I don't. I'm up a minute. What am I talking about? He has a bad bishop. Like, objectively, there should be no risk of losing this game, which is a good spot to be in. But can I actually show some good technique and win is a different question. And knight d5 looks reasonable at some point. Maybe here already. That's a slight mistake, of course. Slight mistake. What am I doing? Oh, why did I play that move? That was a big... Not a big mistake, but not a good move. We'll go here anyway. Oh, actually, f5, I'm gonna just take the bishop. What am I doing? I'm actually insane. Wait, let's go. Wait, so slow down. Let's take. Let's go here. Yeah, I kind of misplayed this a little bit, but whatever. F4 is enough to draw, but it's probably not enough to win, which is a problem too. Here. If I go here. Still tricky to play. Yeah, I probably can't win this. I messed this up. Knight d5 was a terrible decision by me. Still only a draw, but... But this isn't what I want to do. King f3 also a stupid move too. Why did I play king f3? I'm gonna go here. I feel like I'm getting a little bit sloppy here. It's hard to win this. I'm gonna try to get a little bit cheeky. Oh, I just hung rook before. Okay, he doesn't. What am I doing though? I mean, he had rook b3, rook b4. I'm kind of getting sloppy here for no reason. Logical. I have f4 maybe. Maybe I have g4 here. I don't know. I'm just gonna retreat. I have rook h4 maybe. Still probably only a draw there. But I'm gonna try it anyway, because I can't lose. But now I can outplay him, I think. I have to move, though. Uh, oh, no, I just blundered this. Aye, aye. I choked this so hard. You just have to wait. No, you just have to wait.
I got greedy. I got greedy. I got
Bye-bye.
arrogant. I got greedy.
Bye-bye, Hans.
I had the draw. I got greedy.
Okay, we got
Why?
the win.
Go
We
for
win
a
Title
win,
Tuesday.
Hans.
All right.
Why be greedy? Come
Future
on.
first American world champion for you.
Just had him completely.
Okay. Yeah, and we got the big win in Title Tuesday. We got the
Why
win 10
be
out of
greedy?
11. I mean, I did choke that end game.
Thanks for watching Dark Sign Chess. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.